Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to enable the developer option on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's begin the video. Now, the first thing which you need to do is to open up your setting app. Then scroll and select About Phone. Look for the option Software Information and tap on it. Then find your build number and tap on it 7 times. Next, enter your current PIN, password or pattern to confirm that you wish to enable the developer option. From here, tap on the back button to go all the way back to the main setting menu. And then scroll even further down beneath About Phone, you should see the developer option. Tap on it and then you can see all your developer options settings. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.